Welcome back. And today we are going to be talking about Navy Federal Credit Union. Should you apply in the bank? Should you apply on the phone? Should you apply online? Welcome back. My name is Nigel MrSchroeter, aka Mr. Don't Sleep on the Money. And what I would like for you all to do is hit that thumbs up button so that we can bring out more videos like this and get them spread out to others. Speaking of spreading them out to others, make sure that you hit that share button and share this out on all of your social media platforms to anyone who may be interested in getting this content. Make sure that you leave me a comment below. Let me know if you like this video or if there's any other videos that you would like to see in the future. And as always, let's get right into it. So today we're talking about applying for Navy Federal when you're initially syncing your membership, right? So I have so many people ask me, well, should I apply online? Should I apply on the phone? Should I apply in the bank? And what I say is it depends on your situation and how you're trying to apply for Navy Federal, who's your sponsor, what information you have, all those good things, right? If you have a sponsor, they're willing to give you their access number, everything, and you have a legitimate sponsorship, you should have no problem with providing information or documentation or anything like that. So it really shouldn't matter what way you apply. It's just going to be a matter of your, what's going to be convenient for you. Now, personally, the online application, it's quick. Most of the time, if everything is legitimate, they process everything. They don't even really ask you for documentation. They're just going to ask you for, the numbers, the license number, social security number, things of that nature, and address. Once you put all that information in, it goes right through the system, boom, and they say, hey, you can set up your online banking account right now. Deposit your security deposit for your savings account, and you're good. You're right in there. Now, if you don't have an access number, then you're going to want to apply on the phone or in the bank. Reason being, it's going to allow you to have some type of narrative. Now, when you apply in the bank, when you apply over the phone, you can talk to that representative. That representative can talk back to you. You can have some dialogue, share some things, and that typically makes it easier for you to get in. If you're calling to get in, you had a family member and they were deceased, or you had a family member who's in the military, or you were in the military and you're trying to get an approval. If you were in yourself, a lot of times you can still apply online, but it does typically make it easier to do it over the phone or in person in that case, because the phone call gives you the dialogue with the convenience of not having to get up and physically go to the bank. Now, if you are trying to get an account open and, you have a roommate that you're trying to get in, or a family member that you're trying to get in, and, then you can go into the bank. It makes it a lot easier to verify and say, oh, this person is my roommate, or this person is my family member when you go into the bank, because the bankers, they can look at you, and say, okay, well, these two look like they resemble each other. I can put this person in as a sibling. They claim to be roommates. If they're coming in together, they're claiming to be roommates. It makes it a lot easier to say, okay, their roommates, explain your situation or whatever, than it does to be online where you're talking to a computer system and the computer system cannot talk back to you. All right. So the only thing that you can do in those instances is submit documentation. And like I said, I'm a person who, when it comes down to submitting documentation, I personally do not like going through the extra hassle, because it's a lot of going in, finding the documentation, having to take a picture of it, upload it, it's so much more work. So, like I said, it depend. Should you apply on the phone? Should you apply online? Should you apply in the bank? It depends on your situation and what you need to do to get approved and get approved as easily as possible to get into Navy Federal. So that's going to be my answer. I gave you guys a couple hypotheticals to kind of help you guys with figuring out if your situation is one that would aid you needing to go in, calling over the phone, or applying online. So as always, thank you guys. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Please share it out. Comment below. Let me know how you felt about the video. If there's any other videos you want to see. And please, 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 please make sure that you guys continue to support and share these videos out with others, especially those younger, to help carve the future of the world. Thank you all, and we'll see you guys in the next one.